here we will see here a function, signum function, or it is also known as a sine function. Sine means it. This is a function which represents signs of the real numbers, positive or negative. That is why this function is also called a sine function. So the function, we will define this function as the function f from R to R. R is the domain, or domain to the codomain or set of the real number, is defined as fx is equal to, the value of fx is 1 if x is greater than 0, and fx is 0 if x is 0. If fx is equal to -1 if x is less than 0, mean all the negative real numbers. If we put all the negative real number here, we get only -1. If x is 0, function will be 0. If we take any positive real number, we get value 1. So this function is called signum function. So very important function. Now see the domain. Domain of the function is a set of real numbers, all the numbers, because x is greater than 0, x is 0, x is less than 0, so it covers all the real numbers. And if we want to know we see here the range of the function. So all these elements have only 3 images, so set of images is here -1, 0, 1, only 3 elements. So this is the range of this function, sine function. And the codomain, we know the whole set are set of the real numbers. Now if we see this by graphically, say let this be y, fx is equal to 5, and see here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and say this is origin. Now suppose this is 1, 2, and so on. 1, 2, say 1, 2, and here this side negative real numbers, here y is negative. And suppose see here we put positive values, we give positive input, so the value of y will be y is equal to x is 1, so this is 1, but x is not equal to 0, so this point we can depict but hollow, because x is not 0, so the graph will be like this if we take all the positive value. And when x is 0, then y 0, the point is here. We can see the break in the graph. There is a here point, and then it skip to this point, and then start a straight line. And again when x is not 0 but x is less than 0, all the negative numbers, so the point is here, which is also hollow, means x is not 0, but for all the negative x values, x is y is -1, so it is a straight line like this and this. So this graph is a like this here, and then skip to point this, and then this is a discontinuous graph here. So the signum function is represented by this graph.